house elf.
That wasn't a house elf, that was a woman. I mean, man. Well, she used to be a man.
Oh, I could have sworn.
Regardless of the creature's gender, we will have to examine the body.
Looks dead to me.
Well, we'll have to make sure, and that means we'll have to take another derivative.
How are you going to do that, Potter?
This time we'll need to take the implicit derivative. For the equation of this dead body, we have to use a implicit derivative. We use an implicit derivative because we have x's and y's at different exponential values, so we have to use one. Obviously. We start by taking the derivative of the function and using the penalty points, where y is because it's dy over dx. Then, we continue to simplify the equation until we get dy dx by itself. Then we plug in the points we have and see what our slope turns out to be. 1/17. That points to murder. Very interesting. Very interesting indeed.
What'd you find, Potter?
This time the derivative doesn't point to suicide, but instead, murder.
What was that? Why did you make that noise? Stop that! Stop that right now!
I'm sorry. But detective, who could have done it?
It was me!
Yes!
You're not safe. But how?
But you were...
Pulling out, right, Granger?
Alright, you've caught me, but this was never my plan. It all started when I brought the empty briefcase back to Malfoy. After Ron left me and the children to be a woman, we were left starving and desolate, so I had to resort to the dark things in order to survive. Earlier this week, Draco and I decided to rob a bank so I could buy food for my children, and so Malfoy could start his rocket ship fund to get to Pigfox. Malfoy tried to trick me by leaving me out of my share of the money. I needed to get rid of Malfoy so I could have all the money for myself, but I couldn't get caught, so I developed a plan. First, I rid the kitchen of all drinks except for Squirt because I knew Malfoy would have to come to the pantry to receive his gin. Next, I staged my own death as you all left for your drinks. I hid in the pantry at the top of the stairs. Then, as I thought Malfoy was walking by, I leapt out and pushed him down the stairs. But alas, it wasn't Malfoy, but Ronnie. The maid.
Yes, I've been on to you since the moment you confessed.
Yes, and I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for that stupid maid.
Not everyone can be as clever as Detective Potter.
Ah! My rocket ship fund!
Now that this is over, I can get back to my novella.